Hey Connie, it's Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier and allowing me to send you over this video. All I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. That being said, let's jump right in. So the general gist of this video is to show you three main things that you can do to your website in order to help rank it in Google for select key terms that are being searched each month by your customers. And I know that these terms are being searched each month because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's several hundred searches every month for plumber in Elgin. There's actually 620 searches each month when you sum up all the terms together. And so just kind of show you the value in that. There's 620 searches every month. And let's say you're just ranking in this organic listing right here. You're still going to be able to bring in about 20% of the traffic to your website. So that's 124 people on your website every month. And then of that, a good website can convert about 40% of that into phone calls. So that's almost 50 phone calls every month. And even if you're only closing about 50% of the calls that you go to, that's still 24 to 25 new landed jobs every month. And I'm not sure what your profit margins are, but for this sake, we'll just say it's 300. So that's still over $7,400 per month just from being right here in this organic listing. So I typically will break down your website and show you the three main things on how to get there, but it looks like your site is not available at the moment right now. So I'll just use Advantage Plumbing and Sewer Co. I'll break down theirs, and then I'll just kind of show you how easy it would be for you to outrank them. So the first thing is content on the homepage. And so if we take everything that you see here on their homepage, including the images and what they're saved as, and we throw it into this word counter, shows me that they have right over 1,200 words on their homepage. And Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And the reason for that is Google looks at your website as a contributing factor to their platform. And so the bigger your website is, the bigger their platform gets. And they will reward you by ranking you for whatever your content is relevant to. So if you had 1,500 to 2,000 words and you targeted these key terms, then not only would you have more authoritative content than your competitor, but Google will actually reward you and start ranking you for those select key terms. The next thing that I wanted to show you is backlinks. And really all a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. So if we take their URL here, throw it into Ahrefs, shows me the back end of their page. As you can see, they have almost 1,500 backlinks coming from just 52 websites. And so the sum of all the power coming from these is what's passing power to their page. But because there's so many links from such few websites, a lot of these links are coming from spammy websites. And so that is an advantage point for us, because all you would have to do is take a link like this, except the one that goes to your homepage, and put it on a real relevant quality page like a plumbing blog post or a home improvement website, something really relevant to your niche in your area. And then with a lot fewer links, you could have a much better health rating here, and you'd be more optimized to rank in Google. The third and final thing I wanted to show you is citations. And all a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, Facebook, or BBB. And what that does is it verifies that you have a real physical address and that you are a legit business and you're not just another website out here on the internet. And then once you get that verified and you have more citations than these three, you can rank in this map pack here. And that's really important because this map pack gets about 25% more clicks than these organic listings down here do. So of course 25% more clicks is 25% more calls, which is 25% more customers in your door each month. So that's really all that I have for you today. I hope that this was informative and helpful. All I ask in return is just for a little bit of feedback. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. Thank you for your time.